Hey guys, so I'm back with another video. Finally, this is probably going to be my first video of 2018. But today is going to be a hair tutorial. I took a poll on my channel, on the community page. You guys, usually it'll come up on your phone, like if you scroll through it says activity or something like that. I posted a poll of what you guys wanted to see for my first video of 2018. It was kind of tied between a life update and a hair tutorial. And the hair tutorial just happened to come first because I actually happened to have time to film and do my hair. But it was really quick. I'm just showing you guys how I did this ponytail. It's a little protective style, a wash day style. I've been looking for like some really easy styles that I can get done in one day, just like one wash day, like done, like not waiting for my twist to dry, like none of that, like wash and go but not wash and go, you know what I mean? So I wanted to do a style like that, and I saw this a long time ago. I don't know if you guys remember African Export. She did a video of like this when she was on YouTube. I'll try and find it if she still has it posted, but I originally saw it on her channel like years ago, and then I actually saw Layla, I believe her channel name is Fusions of Culture. I saw her do it recently, so I wanted to try it out on my hair, especially with me having the undercut, which the undercut didn't really get in the way of this style. I think it came out really nice. It's super easy, super chic. You can dress it up, dress it down. I love it. The only thing I don't like, I think I'm gonna loosen some of the rubber bands so it's not like so like curls or whatever. But anyway, I like the style. It's super cute, super easy. I'm always like out and about and on the go. Like I really haven't had time to really sit and do my hair on my days off and things like that. So this is a really easy style just to do on your wash day. That way the next day you have nothing to do but put your makeup on, if you're putting makeup on, and go, which is what I needed. I use my products from Moisture Love. Of course, I will have the link for that stuff down in the description box. They have been my ride or die. Honestly, the rest of my hair stuff is still in boxes. I'm still unpacking in my new place, but I'll get into that in another video when I do a life update. But all the products that I used are from Moisture Love, and I will have them listed down in the description box. Also a link of where you can purchase those products as well. Other than that, sorry if my sound was a little funny. I didn't plug my microphone in because I just didn't have time to do that because I'm about to head out to work. So I'm just using the microphone from my camera, so hopefully it sounds okay. I don't know, I haven't used the microphone on my camera in a while, but next time I'll plug my microphone in and use that. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's super easy, super quick. My intro is probably longer than the video, but I will see you guys next time. Happy 2018, and I will see you guys soon. Bye. Okay guys, so I'm starting out with freshly washed hair that has been shampooed and conditioned. And now I'm going in with my oil just to oil my scalp. This is the Moisture Love Sealed with a Kiss finishing oil, which I said Moisture Love has been my go-to literally these past like 6 or 7 months that I've been MIA. Next I'm going in with their new Now or Never leave-in conditioner, which got released this month, so I will have a link for that down in the description box for you guys to check out. But they did release a leave-in conditioner, which I was super excited about. I got to test it out before it even came out, and then they kind of redid it based off of some of our opinions, and they launched it, which it was really nice. And I'm just going in and moisturizing that back section with that first, and then I'm just going to put that into kind of like a temporary ponytail while I work on the front section, and I'm just going to repeat those same steps on the front part of my hair as well. And then I'm going through and make sure my hair is very detangled for this, because since it's going to be like this for a while, I want to make sure that my hair is super detangled. And then I'm going to go in with my Eco Styler gel. The one that I'm using right now is the argan oil one, because I haven't unpacked my coconut oil or black castor oil one yet. But those two have kind of been my favorites. But for now, I'm going to go in with my old favorite, the argan oil one, just to slick down my edges. And don't worry about that white residue. It will go away once your hair is dry. And I'm just going to pretty much pull that back into the other ponytail and make it one. And then before I start adding all the other scrunchies, I'm just going to brush that through to make sure it's nice and smooth all the way down. And as I add another one, I'm going to keep smoothing it down. As you can see, I'm adding it probably about 1.5 inches apart, maybe a little bit less. You can do it as big or small as you want. I just kind of worked with what scrunchies I had and made it work that way. When I get to the end, I use a very small scrunchie at the end, just so that my ends stay very protected. And then I'm just going to take that initial hair tie off and just kind of make it a little bit more perfect and seal it back up with another scrunchie, just so that it's nice and tight. Because sometimes when you're pulling on a ponytail, it kind of loosens up that first one. And then I just work on my edges barely and tie my head down so that my gel will set. And that's pretty much it, guys. So this is the next day. I just let my gel set and my hair is nice, sleek, simple, super easy to do. So I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I will be back with more hair tutorials very, very soon. Makeup tutorials as well, a life update. If you guys like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below of what other videos you want to see from me, and I will make sure I will try to get that out. And I will see you guys soon. Bye!